Last time, on a journey to the sea, I left out of Shoals Cove, almost got hit by a ferry, and made it back to Sitka. Once I was back in Sitka, it was first things first. Off with the clothes, into the shower. After I got myself cleaned up, I ended up spending the rest of the day sitting out in the cockpit, just enjoying the sights and sounds of the harbor. And at the end of the night, I was treated to a gorgeous sunset. The next morning, I woke up to rain. I got myself checked in at the harbor master's office, and they told me it would be a couple weeks before I got moved into a temporary stall. When I got back to the boat, the Queen of Hearts was showing me some love, so I decided to take advantage of the first sunny weekend. So what do you do with the perfect weekend? Me? Put big holes in the boat. After this little project was done, it didn't take long before they assigned me a new temporary home. Of course, this meant moving my boat to a new harbor, and they couldn't have picked a worse day. Once I got settled in, it was time to start getting as many mini adventures in as I could. I found me a few sailing buddies, and was determined to head out as often as I can.
It always sucks when your house sinks.
And there were many, many more adventures that didn't get filmed. Too quickly as always, winter came, and the full enclosure went up, and I prepared the Queen of Hearts for her long winter nap. January 22nd, 2018. The day started off a little colder than normal. Other than that, the day went through just like any other day. Little did I know, early the next morning, I would be rudely awakened, and spend the morning wondering whether all my dreams and hard work were for naught.